In the name of Allah, who is Rahman and Rahim. Hello, my dear students of class Matric. Assalamu alaikum and very good morning to all of you. As in previous lecture, we understand the exercise of the lessons, and today is another poem I am going to deliver to you, Little Things. So in this point, Little Things, we understand the importance of the little things, how these little things values in a person's life, what is the role of these little things in an individual life. So we will also understand and comprehend in this poem the importance of little things and its poetess. And we also will understand the two examples about the little things that have been rendered from the poetess Julia Corney. So now let's Little Things. This poem is written by Julia Corney. She was born in 1823 and died in 1908. She was an American verse writer. She was born in Boston and died in 1908. Not much is known about her because it is not known about her life. This poem was first published in 1845. It is a simple children's song to explain that even little things are important. So this is the little things are important. So as I already told you about these little things, values in important values in the person's life, and in our life we ignore these little things. What are these little things? So these little things can be a respect or kind words that we must use in communication. If you use these kind words to or in communication to person, definitely the other person will respect you, because these kind words or these little words, okay, that will shape or mold your life, or that these little things bring happiness in your life. In other words, these little things diminish your unhappiness. Okay. In another word, these little things can also be a work. For suppose you can also support it or help it, okay, a needy, or you also help it a person who needed from you. Okay. So this is also, and in a reply, he or she will also pray for you. Okay. So here there are two examples I am going to read out you, and we will also understand from these little things. Little drops of water, little grains of sand make the mighty ocean and the pleasant land. In this stanza, the poetess explained 2 points. The first one is water. Okay, little by little means drop by drop definitely one day make the ocean. Okay, tip by tip, or means drop by drop. Okay, and consistently means gradually. Okay, in a proceeding movement, definitely these will make the ocean. Suppose here I would like to give you an example. If you are hardworking, if you are studying, and you are learning slowly and gradually, If you, for suppose you learn in one day one word, next day two words, and you are increasing day by day the words, definitely you will compile a vocabulary. You will be abundance of the vocabulary of one day. So like this, here little grains of sand, as the farmer, okay, sow the seed in the land. You know that these are the tiny grains of sand, and you know that this cultivated the crops. He cultivate the crops, okay, and he cut it. So here the little drops of water, little grains of sand, and make the mighty ocean and pleasant land. Means the little grains of sand make the pleasant of the land, and the little grains of drops of water make the mighty ocean. Now in this second stanza, little deeds of kindness. As I already told you, whenever you are kind, your words are kind to anybody, okay. So these little words of deeds make your or change your life as well. Are little words of love, kindness, love. Make your world Eden. So make your world Eden, it means make your life pleasant, make your life happy, like the heaven above. So if a person is happy in the life, okay, so he understand himself or self in the heavens, okay. If a person is unhappy or sad, the life is disastrous for him or her. So we understand the little things, the value of the little things. What are the values of little things? Okay, they can also change one's life. They can also make their life happy or joyful or pleasant. So at the end, it means the moral of the poem is that little things are very important, or little things play a pivotal role in person's life, or little things mold or shape person's life as well. So in today's lecture, your homework is that use little things and name or write down what are these little things that can support or help or change one's life, okay. So this is assignment, write about those little things that change person's life as well, okay. Thank you.